Welcome to level number 9. Shea, Ashley, and Megan are playing a game where a spinner with the numbers 1 to 17 is spun. Shea wins if 1, 6, 8, 10, 11, or 15 comes up. Ashley wins if 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, or 12, or 13, or 14, or 16 is spun. And Megan wins if 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, 16, or 17 comes up. Find the probability of S and M and A prime. That's the probability that Shea wins and Megan wins and Ashley does not win. S and M. What does S and M have in common? They have that in common. And what does that have in common with not A? So we'd have to remove that because it's in A, and we're left with the 15. That's one number out of 17, so the probability is 1 out of 17. And you can answer as a fraction, you can answer as a decimal rounded to 5 decimal places, you can answer as a percent rounded to 5 decimal places. There we go. All right, Jamie, Adi, and Kiana are playing a game where a spinner with the numbers 1 to 12 is spun. Jamie wins if 3, 8, 9, or 12 comes up. Adi wins if 1, 6, 7, 10, or 12 comes up, and Kiana wins if 3, 5, 6, 8, or 9 comes up. Find the probability of A intersection K. That's the probability that Adi will win and Kiana will win. What does Adi and Kiana have in common? Just this, okay? And there's only the 6. They both win when the 6 comes up. So the probability of that happening is one number out of 12, 1/12. And you can answer that as a decimal or percent. 1 over divided by 12 gives us, as a decimal, 0.83 repeating. I could answer that way. And just have to make sure to round it to at least 5 decimal places. I can just leave it like that. Here is another question. Paloma, Emma, and Uma are playing a game where a spinner with the numbers 1 to 6 is spun. Paloma wins if 1 or 4 comes up. Emma wins if 3 or 5 comes up. And Uma wins if 1, 2, 4, or 6 comes up. Find the probability of Paloma winning, union Emma winning, union Uma winning, then the probability of that not happening. This is Paloma wins or Emma wins or Uma wins. That prime would be everything outside of that. So it would just be that. Notice that's totally empty. Zero probability. The probability that nobody wins is nothing in this case. Sophie